Bia here. Please subscribe, turn on post notifications, and please like this video. If you did all three of those things, comment on your favorite emojis. Right now I'm going to be doing an EJ-E7 drill. I made it up, but I used his movements. So let's get on to it. Let's do this, guys. It's going to be really good. This one. So this next drill is a shooting passing sequence, but we turn it into just a passing sequence with taking out the finishing part. So let's get to it.
Good. Good.
No, Papa!
Keep going, keep going. It's just me. Good work. That's it.
My dad was messing up a lot. Today we had a late start because I slept in, but I guess that's fine because we got our workout in still, and we're gonna go home, eat lunch, do some schoolwork with my tutor, have a team meeting, and then we're gonna be back at it again with a sand workout. I'm super excited. Comment down below what your favorite hobby is and what you like to do for fun. So we just came back from home and now we're at the field. I'm super excited to get my beach workout in. I'm super excited, but it's super windy, so I don't know how it's gonna go, but I hope it turns out really well. So before this, there was like this big thunderstorm, and then we were like, okay, and it turned sunny, and then we were like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be a beautiful day. And then we went outside and it was so windy. And I was like, okay, I'm still gonna do the agility though. So yeah, and it's so tiring, guys. I know it looks so slow how I'm doing it, but you sink in the sand and you're going against the wind. Like, that's really hard.
Keep going.
windy it is. Hey guys, so we just came back from the training beach session. It was so tiring because there was the wind going against you and you were sinking in the sand. That makes it even more tiring. So, I mean, I tried my best and I did a lot of reps. So I'm gonna get stronger.